Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date with our expert natural remedies and lifestyle tips. Today, we're talking about a topic that may surprise you: acne. That's right, acne isn't just for teenagers. In fact, an imbalance of hormones later in life can trigger hormonal acne. But don't worry, we're here to help. Today, we're going to explore the best foods to eat for clear, glowing skin and the foods to avoid that can wreak havoc on your hormones and complexion. Let's start with the foods to avoid. First up, soy. Soy contains phytoestrogens, which can create a hormonal imbalance, leading to acne. If you think you may be sensitive to soy, try eliminating it from your diet and see if your condition improves. Next on the list is dairy. Excess dairy consumption can contribute to a surplus of hormones that can lead to acne. It's also a primary cause for leaky gut syndrome. Gluten is another culprit. Like dairy, it can disrupt hormones and create intestinal inflammation. Caffeine may be your go-to in the morning, but it can take its toll on your skin's immune response, stripping away essential vitamins needed for a vibrant complexion. Lastly, canola, sunflower, safflower, and vegetable oil can ignite a firestorm on your complexion, especially during peak estrogen days. So, what should you be eating instead? Avocados contain a substance that can bring hormone levels back under control. Adding avocados to your diet can be a natural defense system to ward off inflammation. Turmeric, another spice you may already have in your kitchen cabinets, has natural abilities to reduce inflammation, pain, and swelling, making it a remedy for your skin. Chia seeds, one of the highest sources of omega-3s in nature, can stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and keep blood pressure spikes in check. Cinnamon, a common spice, contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help regulate hormones. Lastly, pomegranates produce the same estrogens that female ovaries do and are rich in anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. And there you have it, folks. The best foods to eat and the ones to avoid for clear, glowing skin. Remember, paying attention to your diet is crucial to maintaining healthy hormones and skin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.